we'll guide you through how to clear Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. To start clearing space, you need to identify the files that are taking up the most space. Click on the storage link on the left sidebar, which will sort your files by size with the largest ones at the top. This view makes it easy to spot those hefty files you might not need anymore. Check the box next to any files or folders you want to remove, then click on the trash can icon at the top to send them to the trash. Remember, this action doesn't immediately free up space because the files are still in your trash. To permanently delete them, click on Trash in the left sidebar. In the Trash folder, you can choose to delete individual files or click Empty Trash at the top right to delete everything at once. Be cautious with this step, as it will permanently remove the files. If you're still running low on space, consider using Google Drive's search bar to find and delete old emails or attachments stored in Gmail that you no longer need. You can also review shared files and folders, which might be taking up unnecessary space. Lastly, if you need more storage, you can always upgrade to a paid Google One plan, which offers more space for your files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.